Looking into the actual replica on the side, we have She Said Yes. Hi babes, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. My name is Alethea if you guys are new here. You might have recognized this crazy setting behind me from one of my last wedding diary series videos talking all about my wedding band of choice. I bring you yet another video collabing with She Said Yes, so please make sure you guys check the description box for all their information. She Said Yes is an online jewelry brand. I know a lot of times those might seem really scary, but they actually have just launched a new program that allows you to try on a replica of the jewelry that you may or may not order before you get the real deal. I'm gonna insert a couple clips as I'm talking about the previous jewelry piece I showed you guys. That will be my wedding band. I love her. She's a perfect mix between sparkly and chunky and not chunky, and I love her to death. But I also love a really good stack, okay? So instead of making Andrew pay an arm and a leg and then some for more stacks on this ring finger, lots more diamonds, we have She Said Yes. So I wanna show you guys the replica band I got. The purpose is to show you guys this new program, but also I know that this style is not for everybody, so I want to showcase to maybe some of my brides like a bit more of a simple look. So make sure you're checking the description. We've got discount codes, we've got links, everything. Make sure you're using my discount codes to get 15% off. Okay, we want to save that cash as much as we can. I'm gonna go ahead and get right into my actual jewelry piece and then my replica piece that you guys would receive during their try on at home program. I will show you guys first what the replica at-home try-on will look like. You guys will get it in this box. Cute little packaging. I'm not going to drag the packaging because She Said Yes just has impeccable packaging always. And then you want to make sure that this has your actual ring size on there. Do not tear it off because you cannot return it if you tear it off. If you're still wanting to try different styles out, then you want to make sure that you keep this little tag on. So this is much more of a toned down diamond. She is a little bit smaller, and you guys don't have to worry too much about that chunkiness on the side hitting your actual ring finger. Unlike the one I previously showcased, the one that I will be wearing on my wedding day and forever. This one is a lot more, I guess, comfortable for everyday wear. So this is the replica ring that you guys would receive. So let's say after you try it on, and as you guys can see on the close-up, it's gorgeous, you love it. Let's say after you try this replica ring on, you're like, yep, let's go for it. Then I want to show you guys what your actual product that you would receive from She Said Yes would look like. As you guys can see in this try on, this band is much more, I guess I would consider it tame. I love a chunky, super sparkly, super in your face wedding band, but I think this is honestly, like I said, great for stacking, or if you are too worried about those diamonds bothering not only your actual engagement ring but also the size of your finger. This is insanely comfortable. Like, I cannot even tell that I have another ring on with my engagement ring because it doesn't feel like it. I don't feel like I have something poking my finger. So you guys saw the up close how gorgeous it looks. If this is a style for you, then you definitely want to go with this She Said Yes piece, as well as their at-home try-on if you guys are too worried about committing to a piece of jewelry. I think it takes a lot of the hassle out of having the worry of it being an online jewelry brand, and overall I think it just really helps. Definitely recommend looking into the at-home replica. Make sure you guys are using that discount code. I'll put that here on the screen as well as the description box. Make sure you guys also check out my previous She Said Yes video where I go more in depth about my engagement ring and wedding band combo that I will be wearing on my wedding day. But this will definitely be part of my stack. I will never say no to some extra bling and diamond on my hand. So make sure you guys comment down below. Do you like this style? Are you gonna be trying the at-home replica? And let me know what other wedding style videos you guys are looking for and want to see from me. Make sure you guys are subscribed. I have plenty more wedding content coming your way, and I will see you guys in my next video.